Welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to easily add birthdays to your Google Calendar. It's a great way to stay organized and never miss an important birthday again. Let's get started. Open Google Calendar. First, open your browser and go to Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed into your Google account. Create a new event. Once you're on the Google Calendar main page, locate and click on the plus button in the bottom right corner, or simply click anywhere on the calendar to create a new event. Set the event as a birthday. In the event creation window, type the name of the person whose birthday you're adding in the event name field. For example, John's birthday. Choose the date. Select the date of the birthday by clicking on the calendar. You can adjust the time if needed, but birthdays are typically all-day events, so just leave it as an all-day option. Select Does Not Repeat. To make the event repeat every year, click on the Does Not Repeat drop-down and select Custom. In the new window, choose Annually on Date to ensure the birthday shows up every year. Add the birthday to your contacts. Optional. If the person is in your Google Contacts, you can link the event to their contact information. This will help you easily remember details about them and send them a greeting on their special day. Choose a color. Optional. For easy recognition, you can assign a color to the event. This way, all birthdays will stand out on your calendar. Save the event. Once everything is set, click on the Save button, and you're done. The birthday will now appear on your Google Calendar and repeat every year. And that's it. You've successfully added a birthday to your Google Calendar. Now you'll never forget an important celebration again. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.